So if you're one of the many people watching this video, you probably shouldn't even be on Facebook. You should probably be studying or doing homework. But let's be real, you're on Facebook. And you know when you get on Facebook and you see someone's status and it looks kind of interesting? And if it has a link to a video, then obviously you're gonna watch it. So that's why you're all watching it right now. But I'm here to talk about two very, very important people, and they are Katie Gregory and Jamie Hewitt, and they happen to be running for exec board for student council. So this video is dedicated for their campaign, if you will. Jamie Hewitt and Katie Gregory running for exec board, and so they asked me to help spread the word to all the underclassmen, because let's face it, I'm basically one of them. Yeah, let's be real. Do you see me at lunch? I'm always running around from table to table, and in the hallway I'm always like, "Sup, freshman?" That's what I do. But back to student council. Student council is such an important asset to our school. They do so much, from homecoming to Mr. SHS to fundraisers when we have, world disasters or things like that. And so, the people that we choose to be on our student council is really important. And we need to choose leaders that can help lead and, truly bring out what we have in our school. So, these people that I'm talking about right now, I think they truly have what it's got. Katie Gregory, I met that girl freshman year, hardworking and motivated, and her family is so dear. BPA, lacrosse, and Stuco, some of her many activities. Did I mention she's an artist? Oh my gosh, does she have time to sleep? Probably not. That's a lot of stuff. Heck, I'm a senior and I'm like not doing nothing and I still feel exhausted. Then there's Jamie Hewitt. I met that girl also freshman year. She's so sweet. Every time I see her, she always just brings me cheer. With her and Katie on exec board, just think of the things they'll do. Did I mention this good for college? So they need you to vote for them. Katie and Jamie, vote for them. Vote for them because the Desert Fox advises you to. Your vote really matters, even if you don't think so. Just do it. Oh yeah. Vote for them, or else this video's been a waste of my night. I mean, come on. It's not gonna do anything more important, alright? And, if any of y'all want a song, or if any other team, organization, just, hit me up on my YouTube, or hit me up on my Twitter or Facebook. I'd be happy to. So, vote for Jamie and Katie this Thursday for exec board. That is all. Desert Fox, signing off.